Hey everyone, if your spousal sponsorship application has been denied, don't panic, there's still hope. As a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you have the right to appeal that decision through the Immigration Appeal Division, or IAD. I know it might seem overwhelming, but I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. So let's dive in. Why was your spousal sponsorship denied? There are a few common reasons. First, criminal records. If the person you're sponsoring has a criminal history, especially for serious crimes, this can be a major reason for refusal. Canada takes security seriously. Next, security concerns. If the sponsored person is involved in activities seen as a national security threat, like terrorism or espionage, it's a major red flag. Then there's misrepresentation. This happens when false information is given, or details are left out by accident. Even small mistakes can be viewed as misrepresentation, leading to refusal. And finally, insufficient proof of your relationship. Immigration officers need to be absolutely sure your relationship is genuine. You need to submit solid evidence like photos, communication records, or affidavits from friends and family. Without enough proof, they may question the legitimacy of the relationship. Now, what should you do next? Should you appeal the decision or reapply from scratch? If you decide to appeal, you get a chance to argue your case in front of the IAD. This works well if there's new evidence or if you believe an error was made in the process. But keep in mind, the appeal process can be long and complicated, sometimes taking over a year. If your case isn't strong, it might not be worth it. On the other hand, reapplying is an option, especially if your circumstances have changed or you have stronger evidence. But it means starting from scratch, paying fees again, and there's still a chance of running into the same issues. Let's break down the appeal process step by step. Step 1. File your notice of appeal. You need to do this within 30 days of receiving your refusal letter. Submit the form and a copy of your refusal letter to the IAD. Step 2. Prepare your case. This means gathering all the evidence and documents to support your appeal. You'll also get an appeal record from the minister, outlining the reasons for the refusal. Before the hearing, you might go through informal resolution, where an early resolution officer contacts you to see if things can be settled without a formal hearing. This doesn't happen in every case, but it's something to be aware of. If not, you'll move forward to a hearing, which could be in person, virtual, or by phone. Once the date is set, prepare thoroughly. Submit all your documents at least 20 days before the hearing, and have your witnesses or expert testimonies ready if needed. On the day of the hearing, be ready to testify and answer questions. The minister's counsel may ask about your case, and you'll need to defend your appeal. Once the hearing is over, you'll get a decision. If your appeal is allowed, great. The IRCC will resume processing your application. If not, you might consider seeking legal advice for a judicial review by the federal court. How long does the appeal process take? On average, several months to over a year, depending on the complexity of the case and the IAD's backlog. It's crucial to stay patient and organized throughout. At this point, it's important to consider getting professional help. Immigration law is complex, and small mistakes can cost you. If you're unsure about anything, consulting with an immigration lawyer or consultant can help avoid pitfalls. You have two main options: appeal or reapply. If appealing, file your notice of appeal within 30 days and gather strong evidence. If successful, the IRCC resumes processing your application. If not, you can explore judicial review, but you'll need professional guidance. Remember, staying organized and meeting deadlines is critical. Whether you're appealing or reapplying, tracking dates, documents, and communication can make all the difference in your case. Our team at SEP Immigration is ready to guide you through the process and help give your case the best chance for success. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need assistance with your appeal, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you every step of the way.